Hello, back again with this Range Rover Sports. I have the 2016 model, the Autobiography. Some of you already know that I had this issue before, so it's actually exhaust filter is nearly full. It's actually asking me to drive 20 miles 40 miles per hour for 20 minutes. And I had this issue before. Obviously, now it's amber, so it's not too bad. If it goes red, you're buggered. In other words, try not to get it to red. As soon as you get this, just start driving, doing the speed. So I'm going to test it, and I'm going to show it today. What I'm actually going to do. So what I'm going to do is drive it as it says, and the take. But there is another little twist with that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in sports mode. From sports mode, rev it over 2,000. That's what my RAC friend told me. Actually, I shouldn't say RAC, but anyway, he said put it into over 2,000 revs and drive. Do a manual and take it down and just let it burn, even 2,000, 2,500 and a second. Let's take that for a spin. I want to get back to you very, very shortly. Let's try it now, and I'll come back to you. Back again, guys. I have some great, wonderful news. Well, it actually disappeared. That red warning, amber warning sign disappeared. And I was actually quite happy while I was driving. I've done about 10 minutes, and straight it just went. It just went. But I slipped it on sports mode. I saw it earlier on. I stuck in sports mode, and I've done that rev over 2,000 rev 2,500 revs and lowered the gear down and just done it, and that cleared it all off. I think it heated it really up and went from there. Well, what can I say? This is a very massive issue with Range Rover. The DPF is quite small. The filter is quite small, so it clogs up really, really quickly. So I think we need, whoever has a vehicle like this, we need to try and give it a little buzz, and then take it, make sure you do try and blast that, or that, sort out of the DPF. As you can see now, I've just started it on and off, and it's working. Ignore that service required. We haven't got it, taken it to the service. I was actually just so busy, really, and it costs a lot of money as well. But that's another thing. So, at the moment, it looks fine. Hopefully, I don't have to make another video. If I do, that it's bad luck. I mean, really, it is a little issue Range Rover do have. We will see. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it.